Will AI replace lawyers or make them millions? The invasion of generative artificial intelligence, AI, into the legal sector is often framed as a revolutionary means to replace lawyers. Yet a deeper assessment might suggest that lawyers might be looking to make millions from the mistaken application of AI in a legal context. While the public is increasingly enchanted by the speed and accessibility of AI-generated documents, they frequently overlook the catastrophic risks inherent in relying on black box algorithms for high-stakes legal and financial decisions. These systems are designed to predict the next most probable word in a sequence, not to understand the nuances of case law, jurisdictional specifics, or the strategic implications of a poorly drafted clause. For the knowledgeable lawyer, this widespread over-reliance creates a massive market of legal debt that will eventually come due with interest. As businesses and individuals bypass traditional legal counsel in favor of automated templates, they are inadvertently seeding their futures with ticking time bombs that only a human expert can defuse. This environment shifts the lawyer's role from a simple service provider to a high-value risk mitigator and legal architect who cleans up the messes left behind by digital hallucinations. Consequently, the threat isn't to the lawyer's existence, but to the mediocrity of those who fail to position themselves as a necessary corrective force against automated errors. The true opportunity for massive financial gains lies in the inevitable wave of litigation and corporate restructuring that will follow years of unvetted AI usage. Small and medium-sized businesses are currently utilizing AI to draft partnership agreements, employment contracts, and tax strategies without realizing that these outputs often lack the protective teeth required during dispute. When these flimsy digital agreements inevitably fail during a buyout or a lawsuit, the financial stakes for the parties involved will be astronomical. Knowledgeable lawyers who specialize in AI auditing and high-end remedial law will be able to command premium fees to salvage these situations. They will not be competing with AI on price. Rather, they will be charging for the specialized wisdom that prevents a total corporate collapse. By positioning themselves as the ultimate insurance policy against algorithmic failure, these practitioners can transition from hourly billing to high-value, result-based compensation. The market for fixing expansive AI-generated mistakes will likely dwarf the traditional market for drafting standard documents. Furthermore, the financial detriment to the public is often invisible until it is far too late to correct through simple means. AI models frequently conflate distinct legal concepts or apply outdated regulations that have since been overturned by higher courts or legislative amendments. A business owner might save a few $1,000s today by using an AI for a complex tax arrangement, only to face $1 million penalty from the authorities 5 years down the line. This lag between the efficient AI output and real-world consequences creates a massive untapped reservoir of future legal work for those who understand the technicalities of the law. Lawyers who can articulate these risks effectively find themselves in high demand by sophisticated clients who value certainty over initial cost savings. These practitioners will build empires by acting as a bridge between the seductive simplicity of artificial intelligence and the harsh reality of the courtroom. The narrative that AI replaces lawyers ignores the fact that complexity in society is increasing, not decreasing, and complexity is the primary driver of legal fees. In the realm of personal legal matters, the reliance on AI for estate planning and family law creates a similar landscape of high-value opportunity for the human expert. Individuals are increasingly using chatbots to draft wills and trusts, often resulting in documents that are technically valid in form but disastrous in execution due to unforeseen tax consequences or jurisdiction-specific quirks. When these documents are finally probated, the resulting family disputes and tax liabilities will require years of expensive legal intervention to resolve. Knowledgeable lawyers can capitalize on this by offering AI verification services that provide the peace of mind that a machine cannot legally or ethically guarantee. These services allow the lawyer to remain relevant while leveraging the user's initial AI-generated draft as a starting point to upsell more comprehensive, human-led strategies. The ability to point out the specific hidden flaws in an AI's logic creates an immediate and powerful demonstration of the lawyer's superior value. In this sense, AI acts as a sophisticated lead generation tool that highlights exactly why a human expert is indispensable. The professional landscape is also shifting toward a model where the lawyer's brand is built on judgment rather than information. Information is now a cheap commodity provided by AI, but judgment, the ability to weigh competing risks and predict human behavior, remains scarce and incredibly valuable. Knowledgeable lawyers will utilize AI internally to handle the drudgery of research and initial drafting, allowing them to take on a significantly higher volume of clients. This increased efficiency, combined with the premium prices charged for human-guaranteed results, creates a path to multi-million-dollar revenues that was previously impossible for solo or small firm practitioners. Instead of spending 50 hours on a case, a tech-augmented lawyer might spend 5 hours of high-level strategic review on a document that an AI prepared in seconds. The client pays for the signature and the liability the lawyer assumes, which is something an AI cannot provide. This shift in the economics of law allows the elite practitioner to scale their expertise in a way that was previously reserved for massive corporate firms. Moreover, the psychological aspect of legal representation will always favor the human lawyer in moments of true crisis. When a business is facing a bet the company lawsuit, the leadership team does not want a printout from a large language model. They want a trusted advisor who can navigate the political and emotional landscape of the trial. The reliance of others on AI actually increases the perceived value of human-to-human counsel, making it a luxury good in a sea of automated services. As AI becomes the standard or budget option, the human lawyer becomes the premium option, much like handmade watches or bespoke tailoring in a world of mass production. This prestige positioning allows for higher margins and a more loyal client base that is willing to pay for the assurance of human accountability. Lawyers who embrace this distinction will find that they can charge more precisely because the world is becoming more automated. The scarcity of human accountability in a digital age will be one of the most profitable commodities in the legal marketplace. The potential for financial detriments to the public also extends to the misapplication of AI in financial and regulatory compliance. Companies are increasingly using AI to monitor for fraud or to ensure they are meeting complex environmental and labor standards. But these systems are only as good as their training data. When an AI misses a critical regulatory shift, the resulting fines and reputational damage can be fatal to a corporation. Knowledgeable lawyers who understand both the law and the limitations of these technical systems will be the ones hired to defend these entities before government regulators. They will be the ones who can argue why an AI's failure was foreseeable or how the company's reliance on it was legally justifiable or not. This intersection of technology and law is a goldmine for those who can speak both languages fluently. Those who can navigate this regulatory minefield will be the architects of the new corporate legal landscape, earning millions by managing the friction between innovation and the law. Ultimately, the narrative of artificial intelligence as a lawyer killer is a simplistic view that ignores the historical trend of technology increasing demand for expert guidance. Just as a spreadsheet did not eliminate accountants, but instead allowed them to perform much more complex financial modeling, artificial intelligence will elevate the lawyer to new heights of strategic importance. The lawyers who will make millions are those who recognize that AI is a tool for the masses that produce a good enough result. And good enough is rarely sufficient in the world of law. They will market themselves as a cure for the errors that AI inevitably introduces into the system. By embracing the tool while simultaneously highlighting its dangerous limitations, they will secure their place at the top of the economic food chain. The future of law is not man versus machine, but the knowledgeable human leveraging the machine to solve the increasingly complex problems that the machine itself helps create. To learn more about our legal practice, we welcome you to visit our website and contact our law firm to schedule a confidential consultation. Thank you.